It was never random. Been pulling the strings. Every nightmare looked unique. Every monster wore a different face. Every death felt disconnected. Just another twisted case. But every trail I followed back, every scar, every attack, always pointed to the same place, hidden somewhere in the dark. This was design, the puppet master, hidden behind every scream, pulling invisible strings until nightmares become reality. The puppet master, watching every move we make. Every fear becomes another thread for him to wasn't born naturally. Something reached inside their minds and turned them into enemies. Every victim just the same, different faces, same old game. Someone taught the darkness how to wear another person's smile. I've stopped chasing monsters. Now I'm hunting the one who made them. The puppet master, standing somewhere out of sight, making broken souls collide for his own twisted delight. The puppet master, I can almost feel you near. You've been hiding in the shadows, but your strings are showing. To fight, you let everyone else do it for you. One whisper, one memory, one little push. Show your face. Got the strings. Let's see what the darkness brings. No more masks, no more games. I'm coming for the one so blind. The puppet master, every answer leads to you. Every haunted place I've seen became another point of proof. The puppet master, I finally found your trail. You thought I'd keep chasing puppets, but now I'm coming for the hands holding the strings. Good. You finally noticed me.